Yo,
what's
what's up?
Okay, so now we are in Jimbaran in Pantai Muaya Beach. We are a little bit late for sunset today.
Just a little bit. But it's beautiful vibes, beautiful color of the sky. We're gonna chilling, having a radler. Sayang just finished work.
I just finished work and I a little bit were late home. And then yeah.
But
so-
at least we are together and making vlog like always. So enjoy. I will show you it a bit around. Alright, we are on the beach and check this out. So beautiful sky and it's quite busy here today. Check this out. Beautiful color of the sky and people chilling, enjoying as you see. And it's the middle of the week, which is very good sign of improvement. And the corn seller and everything. Also some new sellers of new things. What I don't know what is it? The kind of balloons with the kinda balloons with the lights. Kites? Lights? Alright. I don't know what is it, but it looks good. And I lost my Sayang. She's go somewhere by me, buy for us, order for us, Radler. But I just want to show you how it looks the sky because it's really beautiful. Always good vibes here. We are in Jimbaran Bay. By the way, if somebody don't know, this is called Jimbaran Bay, and my Sayang is here. Our drinks arrive. Radler. Just opening fresh.
Rame bu, makin bu.
So nice. And beautiful color of the sky.
Okay, so nowadays, as we see that in the seafood restaurant, nowadays many people coming to the seafood restaurant because of the people from the government coming from Jakarta, Bandung, or other cities. Nowadays, they are coming to Bali for work from home. So it's really nice. It's really good. Like there are people from government trying to help Bali economics.
Meanwhile, cheers guys, this is Radler for you. Beautiful color of the sky. And as Winnie said, really quite many people there behind us. Sayang eating the coconut with ice today. So with ice and lime it actually tastes better,
So good and fresh.
We got the lights, so romantic, and at the front of us there are kids playing still the kite. I think they're gonna jump now to the ocean, refresh themselves. And at the front over there, as you see the lights over there, that's the airport, and we can see some planes. So that's how it looks, the situation. Quite many people in the cafes around, and now is the new trend. Like I said, these balloons with the lights actually look so cool, romantic. We are heading to corn cellar because Sayang wanna have a corn, grilled corn or bakar corn, however you call this.
Jagung bakar.
Or jagung bakar, yeah, whatever. And check this out.
Like I told you, like nowadays, seems like the seafood restaurant busy.
Yeah.
I think that they have a very special dinner.
Oh yeah, at the front over there is the penjor. They are like a special dinner, and this is one of the oldest restaurants, somebody said. That's good information. By the way, look at this guy. Looks so cool with these balloons. Like I feel like I wanna have a balloon like a small kid, Meanwhile, look, yeah, it's quite busy, quite
Yeah,
nice.
like I told you, like people, the government people are coming, from the big cities, from Java. They are coming nowadays to Bali because they are working from Bali.
Working from home, working from Bali. I mean, not from home, but from Bali as the home. And that's the help to the local economy, which is, he have even something on the hat, like a Christmas. But looks really, really cool, really cool. I'm so happy as there are people around. And there is the airport and Kuta.
Okay, so in this area, especially in the Pantai Muaya Jimbaran, I think that there are two big 5-star hotels that is intercontinental. I think it's open over there, and also Four Seasons Jimbaran, and I heard that there is one brand new hotel, also Raffles Hotel. That actually that Raffles Hotel has a one in Singapore. I think this is Singaporean hotel, and they opened the branch in Bali just next to the Four Seasons.
Alright, and this is the Intercontinental Hotel and the restaurant beachfront to the Intercontinental. Looks pretty nice with this lights, and as you see there are even some guests inside. Really cool, really cool. Never been inside Intercontinental Hotel, but maybe once we're gonna decide to come here. By the way, I really like this lights and the beach entrance, and that's how it looks there over the Jimbaran Bay view.
So I will buy corn.
Betul pak?
Mali jam.
Sik dua.
Sik kan?
Salah manis.
Salah manis.
Oh, I'm from Europe.
Europe, welcome to my country.
Welcome.
First time you come to Bali?
Yes, first time, just yesterday.
Honeymoon time or holiday?
Just the honeymoon.
Honeymoon time.
Yes.
Man with man, yeah? Honeymoon time.
What?
Man with man, honeymoon time.
No.
No man with boy, no man with girl, yeah?
My friend, what are you talking?
You honeymoon with boy, no with girl. Oh, with girl. You very lucky. You very handsome tonight. But you buy two balloon, yeah? Like this. To the gun, okay? What are you doing?
Oh lala.
This is for your hair. Looking. No woman, no cry.
Oh lala. Hi guys. Yes.
Small slingshot, like this. See, people. What? You want to see? Wait. I job. Look. Oh. Power, right? Don't go on water.
This is how it is in Jimbaran. You know they are trying to sell you every single things. The corn, sweet and spicy. He said that you want a sweet and spicy? Yes, sweet spicy like me.
Just open in my selling boss, you buy one. You can open again, you take to home, no problem. Enjoy. Come on, boss.
So there is the entrance or exit from the warung, and that's how it looks, the situation on the street. Already quite long time after the sunset, and people here even play the chess, which is super cool. Comment below, guys, if you know how to play the chess. And this is the parking area everywhere, so many cars, and the entrance to the warungs, what you saw on the beach, but on the other side it's quite busy actually. It's quite busy.
Okay, so now I think that we will go to in the Jimbaran Center. I mean, like there up there. I think that Damian craving for mie ayam, and we will go there and see how it is in the Jimbaran Center.
As you see, actually quite busy, and so many big selections of the restaurant. If you thinking about seafood in here, you will not gonna be hungry. But today time for the mie ayam for us.
Okay, so we arrived in our favorite warungs in Uluwatu, actually right in front of Nirmala. And today Damian ordered mie ayam, but I will order my nasi campur.
Check this out, this beautiful nasi campurs here everywhere around. I will show you slowly. They even have a so nice fish. I don't know, never tried, but looks very nice. And this one, so many nice. This must be very spicy, by the way. I don't know what is it, but this looks very nice. So sauces,
No, that's the soup.
a lot of spicy sambal.
So yeah.
The best warung in Jimbaran.
Jimbaran.
The best in Jimbaran.
Best in Jimbaran.
Best in Jimbaran, yes.
Okay.
Very
Aku
nice.
mau sayur itu dah Kak Er.
By the way, I wanna show you the best food.
Ambil sendiri. Okay. The good things I can take whatever I want.
Take whatever you like.
Ambil sendiri.
Ambil sendiri. Yo, what's up, brother? I'm still curious about this fish. You not try it? It must be salty and spicy. So nice, so nice. So good. Winnie is taking everything little bit. What else you gonna take?
I don't know. I confused.
All is good, right? And this meanwhile I'm gonna show you, I forgot, this is the very sambal spicy fish. This is like you can see already very spicy. You will see what's
I confused. What is good? Kan aku bingung. Kamu itu dah.
spicy sambal.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, the name of the warung, if somebody will ask, is Buvia or Buvia, I don't know, something like that. Just at the front of the Nirvala shop. I will show you meanwhile how it looks, the situation over here. Very easy to find. We park our Jimmy, of course, at the front, but it's no problem. So shop, Nirmala supermarket, and this very busy junction in Uluwatu. Jimbaran, this is still Jimbaran, and it's very nice. Warung Solo Via or Buvia, with beautiful ladies over there, and they're really great food. They have a really great food. And they have also Coca-Cola in the bottle, as you see, like this one. So big stomach for the place.
Guys, if you're curious how much is it, this one is only
18k.
18K,
$1.50 for all of this. So nice. Smaczne, kochani. Where is my mi ayam?
They're still cooking.
Alright, so they're cooking mi ayam for me. And here we go, the best mi ayam in Jimbaran. Check this out, beautiful chicken, very tasty, and very nice noodles also. Really like this place. We actually travel here like 5 kilometers just to come here from the beach for this mi ayam and this nasi campur. Smacznego, kochani.
Dziękuję, smacznego.
Alright!
So I think that's all our video to guys today from Jimbaran. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
By the way, if you are interested, we pay only 40k for all.